Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your Apple ID is signed in and iCloud Contacts is enabled. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and make sure Contacts is turned on. Once done, go to Settings Contacts Accounts and enable Contacts for any Gmail or Exchange accounts you use. If Contacts was already on, toggle it off and back on to trigger a sync. This forces the phone to refetch entries from the cloud and can immediately restore missing contacts. Next, dive into Account and Backup options. Log into iCloud. Com from a browser and use account settings to restore an archived contacts archive if available. This merges older lists back to your devices. On the iPhone, open Contacts, tap Groups, and make sure no account is hidden. Filters often look like missing contacts. If iCloud has no archive, consider restoring an iPhone backup via Finder or iTunes. That will replace device data with the backup state, so make sure you understand which date contains your. Finally, verify your list and perform cleanup steps. Close and reopen contacts and give the device a minute to sync. If contacts remain missing, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, restart the iPhone, and sign back in to force a full resync. Make sure your contacts' default account and group settings are correct so entries aren't hidden. If problems persist, update iOS, try a different backup, or contact Apple support. The most common issue is a wrong default account or active filter hiding entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.